What if the strategy you're counting on to save you money actually ends up costing you more? Think about that for a second. If you're sitting on the sidelines right now waiting for rates to drop, home prices to come down, or waiting until you have a larger down payment, I have one question for you. What if waiting is the most expensive decision you make? My name is Michael Thayer. I'm a mortgage advisor based in Nashville, Tennessee, serving clients nationwide. And over the years, I've had countless conversations with buyers who are all waiting for the same thing: a better rate, a lower price, a more affordable payment. And on the surface, that all sounds logical. But here's the question nobody seems to be asking: what if everyone else is waiting for the exact same thing you're waiting for? Because if millions of buyers are sitting on the sidelines waiting for the same signal, what happens when that signal finally arrives? There's more buyers hitting the market. That means more competition, more pressure on home prices, and potentially less affordability than you expected. And if you're wondering what's driving all this, take a look at the resources on this page. One explains the supply problem that most buyers never see or realize. The other explains why people waiting for rates to drop may be the real story. But help explaining why waiting can be more expensive than it appears. That's exactly why I created this page. It's all based on a study from First American Title that looked at buyers who purchased in three completely different markets. One bought at the peak of 2006, one bought during the recovery in 2014, and one bought during the pandemic boom in 2019. Three very different markets. Yet, the lesson remains remarkably similar. The people who got into the market built wealth. People who waited, sat on the sidelines, often paid more than they expected. Now, I want to take that idea one step further, looking forward from the today. I put together side-by-side examples down below using a $400,000, $800,000, and $1.2 million purchase comparison. And here's what's fascinating. Whether you're buying a $400,000 home or a $1.2 million home, the price doesn't matter. The longer you wait, the math doesn't really change. The amount of your down payment gets bigger. The payment increases. The opportunity costs you more the longer you wait. But the lesson stays the same. Many buyers are waiting for lower rates because they believe it will make homes more affordable. But when you understand the history, the facts, you'll realize waiting for a lower rate doesn't save you as much money as you think. The increased home prices often erase any savings you were hoping to see from a low rate. And what if increased competition offsets the benefit of waiting as well? And what if buying now and refinancing later was actually putting you in a stronger financial position? Most people expect waiting to buy will save them money. History shows the opposite. This isn't about opinions. It's not the headlines. It's not predictions. It's just the numbers here, people. Let's dive into this page. Call me with questions. We'll talk to you soon.